Wait till you turn around.
Did you know they think they're on land when they're down
They
in
do.
the water? So they, so they call it going underground
They do.
since they think they're on land.
They do live. They do go into the sand when they're on land. They dig in the sand and cover themselves up.
Oh, I didn't know that some turtles actually. Did you know once there was this weird turtle on the beach, and there there was like a rope around his neck
A rope.
and his arm.
Who did that?
It was like so tight that one of his friends actually one of his hands cut off.
Somebody did that to him?
I don't know. Then I even feeded them.
So you ready to go?
No, they're gonna die soon.
No, they're not, baby. They live a long time.
No, they are if they don't eat.
But they do eat, baby. They eat other things.
Like what?
Like they eat fish. They eat birds.
Like porn.
They eat other animals
Like snakes,
if they're small.
or if they don't have any teeth.